In this video, I'll show you how to create infographics in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, whether it is a free account or it is a pro account, and then go to the dashboard of Canva. And here I'm in the dashboard of the Canva, and now click templates and search infographics. Infographic, and now click here or search, and here you will find a lot of infographic templates available here for you. Find your preferred templates from here. There are different types of infographics based on different types of niche. So let's say I want to use this template. It is, let's say, timeline related template. So click here and just click customize this template. And here it is the ready-made template. I can use either this template and change every information here with my information, and I can change the icons as well. So how I can change the title? Click here to change the title. Let's say the first title is BG Whisper, BG Whisper, and make some adjustment of the title, and then click here to change this one. Let's say, so I changed the title of the infographic, and I can change everything. Let's say marketing and SEO. So this way you can just use this template to recreate your design, social media. So just recreate it. So let's say I want to change this icon with a marketing related icon. So remove this and go to the element section and search marketing and click the graphics, and you will see there are different types of marketing related icons available here. So let's say I want to use this icon or this icon. So click it and bring it to the position, and you can also click here to change add this text cells here, copy, and I want to replace with this text. You can change the font size from here, and this way you can change everything from this template and adjust it based on your information. Once everything is done, everything is customized, then just click here, click the download button, and either you can download this file as a PNG image, or you can download this file as a PDF. So let's say I want to use these infographics in Pinterest. So I need to select the file format as PNG, and just now click the download button to download it. And here is my infographic. Let's say I want to design another infographic. So click here. So this is a blank canvas for infographics. Now click here, and here you can find any types of industry related templates. So let's say I want to create a marketing service infographic. So search here marketing services, and you will find all of the templates available here related to marketing. So let's say I want to use this template. Click here and now adjust it with your own text and icons and information. What I already have shown you how you can replace everything. Let's say how you can replace text, headings, and descriptions, and icons, and elements, and everything. Let's say I want to change this background in different color. So let's say I want to use this color or this color. and I want to change the heading color as well. So just use this color. So this way you can adjust any of the template you want to use using any of the Canva template or Canva pre-made template. Let's say I want to create a completely new design, or I want to design from scratch. So click here. So this is a completely blank canvas. Now I can design from my concept. So let's say first I want to add a title. So click here, the text, and add a title. So here, this is my title, marketing tips, and adjust it with your canvas size. And now I want to add some of the heading: digital marketing, and add a description. So use normal description from here. Let's say I want to generate an infographics about 8 marketing tips. So I can generate the content from ChatGPT. Write a marketing tips infographics content for me. So this is a infographic content. I can use this content. So this is actually my title. Copy the title and use it as the heading, is the main heading. And now adjust the title with your canvas. So I want to change the font to a bolder font. Let's say this font is good font for me. Okay, and now let's say I want to add some of the shapes, different shapes or different design. Here I can use these types of shapes in my design. You can get any types of inspiration. Let's say I want to get an inspiration from Google infographic, and click here, and here this is a design. I can replicate this design in Canva. So here is the design. I want to replicate this design. So this way you can add or replace everything of the content, your infographic, from any types of inspiration, and make all of the adjustment as necessary. So once everything is done, just click here to download your infographic. So this is the third infographic. First click here and page 1, not page 2, and this is actually page 3, and done, and just download it, and your infographics is ready to go. And this way you can easily design your infographic, or you can customize from any Canva template of infographics in your related field. So in this video I have shown you how to make or how to design infographics in Canva, or how to make infographics in Canva. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below.